Hey guys, I'm Eddie, and today I'll be talking about Project SplitCell, which is this game I've been developing for the past 2 weeks. 2 years ago, I started learning about game development and more specifically, the Unreal Engine. And then 6 months ago, I started transitioning all the knowledge I had from the blueprint side to C++ so that I could improve the products I could therefore make. As you can see in the background, I've got an example of some of the code that I'll be running in this game, which I've, spent the last 2 weeks developing and which I'm going to showcase the result of in this video. So I hope you stick around and I hope you enjoy what I've managed to do. This is the character whose mechanics I've been coding for the past 2 weeks, and they're currently made completely out of the starter assets that come available with Unreal. So I haven't done anything on the asset side of things, just the functionality, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate. So obviously right now you can see me controlling my character's motion and rotation with the WASD keys and my mouse. On top of that, my character's also got this ability to come apart, and as you can see by those debug lines, there's a trace being thrown around to see if there's a viable path for these body parts to fly back to their parent body parts, because all the body parts follow each other in a hierarchy. So my character's motion is actually being controlled by the core. So my WASD keys and my rotation is moving and rotating the core of the character, which is that orb you see on the ground. And the rest of the bodies follow the other body parts in a hierarchy. So the lower body follows the core, while the upper body follows the lower body, and both the arms follow the upper body. Obviously, this character is meant to resemble a humanoid character in that sense. What I'm demonstrating right now is my ability to shoot and call back body parts. Obviously, the core isn't included in that because, well, that's just meant to move around. They're the anchor that actually shoots the different body parts off. So, yeah, so I can do that, and I can call those body parts back by pressing a release key, or I can wait for them to time out. And then, as I'm demonstrating here, when I shoot an arm to one of the corners of this mesh that I've added a bit of code to, my character is able to grapple onto it and pull themselves up by reversing how the different body parts in the hierarchy pull on each other. So instead of something higher up in the hierarchy pulling the things lower down, it's now reversed when this character is pulled up. And with the same button, I can return the equipped body part that's been shot off. I can also stop grappling onto the wall by pressing that same button while equipped to the grappling body part. A thing to note about grappling onto walls with the arms, though, is that because the hierarchy is reversed, nothing higher up in the hierarchy can be shot off when a said body part is doing the grappling. So since the arms are the lowest on the hierarchy, only other arms or something lower in the hierarchy can shoot off. And currently, there is nothing lower in the hierarchy than the arms. But the thing is, as I've just shown, I can grapple with both of my arms onto different parts, onto separate walls or different parts of the same wall. And then while in that state, I can shoot off the core of my character and then hit the release button, which allowed me to get to this elevated position, which I could not have otherwise got to because, well, as you can see on map, there isn't a ramp leading up here or anything, or a jump pad. So yeah, I can use this method to climb to higher heights than I otherwise would be able to.